Hearing ears and seeing eyes welcome you. Today we are diving into the Advertise tab on TimeBucks, a feature often overlooked by many users. If your balance is zero, you'll need to add funds before you can create a campaign. Now I clicked upon on Create Campaign. The text is, watch my video and get paid. For example, if your video length is 125 minutes, so you add action for 1 minute. If your video length is 312 minutes, then you will add 3 minutes only. Have you been understand this add action requirement? Please submit a screenshot clearly showing the timeline of the video and ensure that the bell icon is visibly pressed and shown in the screenshot. Select all operating systems. Select all browsers. Choose any gender. I recommend selecting one day as users usually prefer tasks to be completed within this time frame to avoid impatience and unnecessary support tickets to TimeBucks staff. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos. So, why delay? So let's begin the video. Today we are diving into the Advertise tab on TimeBucks, a feature often overlooked by many users. Upon clicking the Advertise tab, 3 subtabs appear: Tasks, Clicks, and Funds. I'm now selecting the Funds tab to reveal the balance in my advertiser account. Presently, my account shows a balance of $6.024, indicating I have sufficient funds to launch a campaign. To initiate a campaign, it's essential to have funds in your account. If your balance is zero, you'll need to add funds before you can create a campaign. This overview should help TimeBucks users effectively manage and utilize their advertising capabilities. Now I clicked upon Tasks subtab and here you can see my campaigns. Now again I clicked on my campaigns and go a little downside. Here you can see my total 11 campaigns. Now I clicked upon on Create Campaign. It's shown the main page where I can create campaign for organic traffic. Here is public campaign title. You can write as your wish or requirement according to campaign, but here I will teach you how to create campaign to get organic subscribers, views, watch time, likes, comment and feedback for YouTube. So what text you must enter here for getting subscribers, views, watch time, likes, comment and feedback? The text is, watch my video and get paid. What will write in internal campaign title? Just copy and paste above text here. So I also copied and pasted the above text here. Go downside a little and add the actions. You must add action according to your video timing. For example, if your video length is 125 minutes, so you add action for 1 minute. If your video length is 312 minutes, then you will add 3 minutes only. Have you been understand this add action requirement? Now, I have clicked on Add Action, where you can customize actions based on your requirements. Currently, I'm focusing on engagement, and I have selected Watch a video per minute as the action. You can adjust the video selection according to its length. For example, since my video is 312 minutes long, I've added 3 actions, each spanning 1 minute. If your video is 130 minutes, simply add actions for each minute. I trust you comprehend this process of adding actions. Regarding the campaign requirements, there are certain macro options available, including user ID, full country, country code, age, gender, and IP address. It's crucial to fill them out accurately to optimize your campaign's effectiveness. Here are some essential instructions to include. Number 1, please follow these instructions to get paid. Number 2, follow this link, copy and paste it into your browser and watch the video for 3 minutes. Number 3, I've inserted my video link here. Now, I shall explain how to create this link to direct viewers to the specific part of the video. This segment is vital, otherwise, your traffic source will be external. Therefore, watch the video attentively. Move further down. Here, you will find the proof requirements. What text will you write here? Here a suggestion for clarity and effectiveness. Please submit a screenshot clearly showing the timeline of the video and ensure that the bell icon is visibly pressed and shown in the screenshot. Your submission will be more valuable if it's easy to understand and comprehensive. Continue scrolling down. Notes for moderators is optional, so there's no need to add anything here. Next, you will see options for traffic sources. Select any traffic type. Choose any device type. Select all operating systems. Select all browsers. Choose any gender. Select any type of user quality. For approval time, you can select from 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, and 4 days. However, I recommend selecting 1 day as users usually prefer tasks to be completed within this time frame to avoid impatience and unnecessary support tickets to time-box staff. For ages, select between any range. Users' inclusion and exclusion from instructions are optional, so there's no need to add anything there. Now, onto the campaign budget. This is a crucial part of the campaign, so fill it out carefully. Understand that this is the maximum amount you are willing to spend on the entire campaign. For example, I have filled it with $6. You can adjust it to $100 or even $1,000, depending on your budget. Move down to hourly spend capital. Here, you can set limits on how much money you want to spend per hour on your campaign. This directly impacts the number of views you aim to garner on your video within an hour. You can plan this according to your preferences. But I recommend keeping it at 0, indicating no limit. This strategy can significantly contribute to making your video go viral. Next, daily submission capital should also be set to 0. Now, on to frequency capital. This refers to how often you want users to perform tasks. I suggest selecting once off ever to streamline the process and avoid excessive user engagement. Moving on to task thumbnail. Upload a PNG or JPG file for your thumbnail. Choose a visually appealing image, perhaps one you have designed or found on Google. This thumbnail plays a crucial role in attracting viewers, so choose wisely. After uploading, confirm your selection and click Submit for approval. Your campaign will then be pending until approved. And when it will be approved, the views will start on your video.